The Trump administration's plan to lower grocery store prices could include importing more beef. That move has drawn some pushback from cattle producers. As Steve White reports, some ranchers warn cheap imports could undercut efforts to rebuild the domestic cattle herd.
President Trump has said he's going to work his magic to lower beef prices for consumers. However, many cattle producers say any efforts to import beef are at odds with the administration's America First agenda.
The Trump administration faces pushback in cattle country. Talk of lowering beef prices through imports has frustrated ranchers. Speaking at the National FFA convention, Ag Secretary Brooke Rollins defends her boss.
And so what the president was talking about was nothing much different from what we have done for a really long time.
Rollins says imports are already part of the U.S. beef supply, mostly lean trim used in ground beef.
Sort of the lower cost beef for those who can't afford a $30 or a $50 or a $70 steak.
Right now, the U.S. brings in about 20,000 metric tons of beef from Argentina. The president's plan would increase that, but Rollins said it's still a small slice of the total.
When you put that up against the fact that we have closed the ports, we have no crossing of live cattle in the last almost 6 or so months, the tariffs, the 50% tariffs on Brazil, we've seen a huge slowing down of product from Brazil. So what the president was talking about in terms of Argentina doesn't even make up for what we haven't gotten across in the last few months.
For cattlemen like Mike Briggs, who have seen the herd size diminish while finally enjoying a shot at profitability, hearing the president tell ranchers they don't understand is personal.
Well, President Trump is my guy. I voted for him 3 times. He has crashed the cattle market.
Briggs takes issue with the president's comments, but he does understand the need to import ground beef, which he says needs to be done carefully.
I don't have any problem with him importing beef. We've been importing all kinds of beef from Australia. My only concern with South America, I hope they keep all the standards high.
14 House Republicans, including Nebraska Congressman Adrian Smith, signed a letter to Rollins.
Avoid, kind of the idea that we're just going to, whether it's accurate or not, bring in all sorts of beef from elsewhere.
Rollins says the administration is also taking steps to help cattle producers, from reopening grazing lands to expanding new processing capacity.
A 5-point plan on how to rebuild the herds.
Rollins also previewed a national campaign to promote homegrown beef, but stopped short of endorsing mandatory country of origin labeling.
Buy American beef, product of the USA.
Ranchers will be watching to see if those plans to rebuild the herd pay off. In the meantime, many remain skeptical about the plan to import foreign beef. Reporting, I'm Steve White.